mga kalutong bahay with Nanay. Welcome to this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, we are going to make banana bread! Okay, so bakit nga ba banana bread ang gagawin natin ngayon? Well, tingnan mo naman tong mga bananas na to. It's, ano na siya, awang-awa, maawa ka sa kanya. Gusto na niya maging, gusto na niya maluto. So, kailangan na natin siya iluto talaga. Ito. Yan, puro brown-brown na siya. So, lahat to, gagamitin na lang natin dahil no choice, na siya, parang malapit, sobrang hinog na talaga siya. So, ready for cooking na siya. And, well, nakita ko tong mga banana na nakakaawa. So, gusto na niya maluto, okay? Gusto na niya maluto. So, ang best thing na gawin is banana bread. Okay? So, what are the ingredients para dito sa banana bread natin? Well, una, the bananas. I'm putting in 4 eggs, but the recipe just calls for 2 eggs. And disclosure lang, this is the first time I'm going to make this dahil nga yung banana, sayang. So, let's see what we come up with. 4 eggs. And 1/2 cup of butter. There's also 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm still thinking kung mga 3/4 or 1/2 ilalagay ko because I don't want it too sweet. And then the recipe calls for 1/4 cup of salt and 2 cups of flour. So, the recipe also calls for 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll get that later on. Okay, so let's start. Itong bananas, let's peel it first. Okay, and put it in the bowl. Smells so nice. Nothing like overripe bananas. Okay. Actually, the recipe just calls for 6 pieces of bananas. But, these are overripe bananas already. They need to be eaten. Maybe I'll eat one later. And actually, these are small bananas. So, I think we can put in all of it. But, I'll take out yung mga medyo mabulok na siya na parts. Okay. Check it out. Check it out. Mashing the bananas. Ito parang baby food. Okay. So now we've mashed in the bananas. These 4 eggs. I-whisk ko muna siya. Whisk. So there's a lot of ways to crack open an egg. The way I like to do it, or the way I know how to do it, is to use a fork. Okay. Right. So we need to be able to whisk this together. So, ito na siya. Ito na yung eggs. Whisk. Okay. May natapon! This is not good. We need to clean this up. Okay. Later we need to clean up this place. Okay. So now we'll put in 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Sa lagay na to, bukas pa tayo matatapos. And why do I use brown sugar instead of white? Well, my mom always told us na yung brown sugar daw is healthier kasi hindi na siya kinulayan. I don't know how true that is. Okay. So, I don't want it too sugary. So, I put in like 1/2. 1/2. But you can put in 3/4 if you want of sugar. I'll put it in sa bananas a while ago. Okay. And then, all-purpose flour, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups. Okay. And then, now we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is baking soda. Tingnan mo kasosyal, nakasulat pa baking soda. Okay. Of baking soda, 1 teaspoon. Okay, I'll add that here. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So here is our salt. It's going for 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let go. And then we'll add in our eggs. I'll put in the eggs here first. So as you can see, ito na yung itsura niya. Add in the butter. Siyempre, yung mga tira, kailangan isama din. Okay. And then, whisk it all together. Guys, do you see what it looks like here? So, low-tech tayo. Ginagamit lang natin yung ating kamay to do this. Di na natin kailangan ng mixer, no? Habang wini-whisk ko to, double check muna natin lahat ng ingredients kung nandito na. 3/4 cup of brown sugar, all-purpose flour, 2 cups, check. 1 teaspoon baking soda, check. 1/2 teaspoon salt, check. 1/2 cup butter, check. 3 eggs. How many eggs did I put? 4? Oh, sumobra tayo, pero okay lang yon. And it calls for like 6 pieces of bananas or 2.5 cups. So, but I just put in all of it. I think it's okay now. Hello, look at how wonderful this is. Look at how wonderful. Oh yeah. Ala, malapit na naman siya mahulog. Okay. So these are our 2 cases right now. We'll put them here. And sabi ng recipe ng sabi ng recipe or Great Big Internet na i-grease daw natin yung pan para siguro hindi magkalat or para matanggal siya mamaya pag nag-slice na. So let's do that. Okay, now that we've greased the pan, it's time to put in the banana mix. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I'll make sure lang isumot sarap natin to para lahat makuha. No leftovers. Okay, so now that we've finished with these 2 pans of bananas, we'll put them in the oven. Let's go to the oven! Okay, mga kalutong bahay, update lang. So, natapos na siya. Actually, 30 minutes lang pala kailangan. And then, half 15 minutes sa taas and then 15 minutes sa baba. Okay, so we'll pull this off. Saan to ilalagay? Natap. Diyan lang.
Pwede ka na gumawa ng bake shop?
Pwede na daw ako gumawa ng bake shop. Actually, guys, yung amoy niya, it smells so nice, guys. It smells so nice. So, tingnan mo tong ano natin. Oh, yeah, yeah. Sobrang bango ng amoy niya. So, tingnan natin ngayon. Yeah, ganun lang kasimple yung kailangan natin. Let's see what the inside looks like. Try natin i-open siya. Okay, so mag-chop tayo ngayon ng isa. And tingnan natin yung laman niya. Sarap. Maybe we should have added more sugar. So, you guys can have 1 cup of sugar. But the crispiness niya, okay yung crispiness niya. I like it. Maganda to para dun sa mga diabetes. Kasi hindi siya ganun katamis. So here you go, guys, banana bread for you. Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Gawa na din kayo ng sarili niyong banana bread. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, everybody, pakinggan niyo kung gaano siya ka-crispy. And then, so crispy siya sa labas, and ano siya sa loob. Soft siya sa loob. And then, ang pwede nyo din gawin is lagyan siya ng honey. Okay, guys, so ngayon, this is one of the banana bread. And we'll be putting in some sugar. Well, actually, dito sugar, honey to. Look at that gorgeousness. Okay, so this is what you can do with your own banana bread as well. Put some honey. Alright. Secret lang natin yan, ha? Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and share it with your friends. Let's all make sure that we are healthy as can be and all eat amazing great food all day, every day. And let's just all take care of the earth and the universe and everything else. I'm hoping the best for you. Riches, love, family, relationships. I hope you all have the best that is possible. I'll see you in the next video.